Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Hello, crafters. In this video, I will explain how to make boron trioxide in Minecraft. This compound isn't part of the standard game, but it's available through the special chemistry update. You can access these features in Minecraft Education Edition or by enabling them in Bedrock versions like Pocket Edition, Windows 10, Xbox One, and Nintendo Switch. Let's dive into the only way to create this unique item. Before you can begin crafting, you need to activate the chemistry features. From your world selection screen, go into the settings for your chosen world. Scroll down until you find the Education Edition toggle and switch it on. The game will then create a copy of your world, marked with EDU, where all the chemistry elements and tools will be available for you to use. Now that chemistry is enabled, you'll need to gather your ingredients. To make boron trioxide, you'll require 2 atoms of boron and 3 atoms of oxygen. You can easily find these element blocks in your creative inventory. Alternatively, if you're in survival mode with chemistry enabled, you can use an element constructor to synthesize these specific elements from their constituent particles. With your elements in hand, it's time to craft. Place a compound creator block in your world and interact with it. You'll see a 3x3 grid. Simply place your 2 boron elements and 3 oxygen elements anywhere within this grid. The compound creator will then synthesize them into 1 unit of boron trioxide, which will appear in the output slot, ready for you to collect.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.